So hey, this is Riding with Rory. We're taking a new journey today outside the city limits of Reno, Nevada, maybe about 15 minutes from the downtown area. We're gonna do the Hunter Creek Trailhead today, which is at the Michael D. Thompson Trailhead location that we're sitting in right now. At the very top of this hike, which is about 5.8 miles out and back, is a 30-foot waterfall, which should be pretty incredible. The leaves are turning, we're in the middle of fall. This is the best time maybe to hit this trail. It's about a 1,200-foot elevation climb, so it's a pretty good little hike, but moderate in general, suitable for most people and their dogs. Keep them on the leash, keep them away from animals and snakes, and you'll be good to go. Let's take a ride.
We got Rory here, and with Rory Home Loans, and then myself, Wyatt Revilio. I'm Rory's videographer, and we're doing the Hunter Creek Trail today. Just want to showcase all the amazing just outdoor things there are to do here in northern Nevada and Reno. And also too, it's a good opportunity for people to get to know Rory. So Rory, want to tell us a little bit about like where you were born, growing up.
Yeah.
And kind of start us out with that.
For sure. So yeah, I was born in Nevada. I was born in Carson City. I lived there for maybe 7 years, and my family moved away to the Bay Area. Then I came back to Nevada to go to college here. I'm an alumni of the University of Nevada. I got my degree there back in 2002, and then immediately went to work for the state of Nevada for 15 years as a gaming agent for the Casino Control Board. So been doing a lot of financially related stuff ever since then. And then, a little about 5.5 years ago, made the transition to be a mortgage loan officer and have never looked back since. I'm a family man. I'm married. I have 2 kids. They're in 5th grade, my twin girls. My wife, Danielle, she works for the city of Reno. So we're really embedded in the community. So we really love it here. All right, well, thanks for watching so far. We've got a lot more to show to you, so make sure you stay tuned after our Mortgage Minute. Beautiful hike, lots to see. You're gonna love it. Hey everybody, Riding with Rory here. I'm giving you your Mortgage Minute. Today we're gonna talk about credit scores and the importance of them. When you go through a pre-approval, you're gonna find out that your mortgage score may look a lot different than what your bank tells you it is. That's because we score 3 different bureaus and we take the middle of the 3 scores. So if you wanna have the best credit there is, you need to be at an 800 or above. Most people are gonna see somewhere from a 700 to a 740, and that's okay. You can qualify for a loan as low as 580 in some places, and I certainly help you with that. All right, we're already just a little ways up, maybe a half mile at the most, and I'm already sweating. But the scenery is getting more beautiful. Seeing some hawks out here. Foliage is getting really, really striking. Great time of year to be up here, right at the end of October. It's amazing. This is all like 10, 15 minutes away from downtown Reno. So that's a pretty special deal for people to live around here.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I always tell people why I'd probably never move from Reno is, I just drove 10 minutes from my house to get here. And you're like, going well within, into the Sierras right now. So
it's crazy because people take it for granted if you live around here. But if you come from other places in California or even Colorado where the mountains are a lot further away, it's a pretty good feature. People should really appreciate the accessibility that we have. I mean, this is national forest land, so right there, right on the edge of the city.
All right, Rory, earlier kind of talking about your kind of formative years, especially in college, and how that influenced your career. I think it's a pretty interesting story if you want to share that again.
Yeah, I mean, the cost of higher education, university it's always been really, really high. It was really high when I graduated high school back in the late 90s. So I took a non-traditional path, I guess you'd say. I went to a junior college with a degree focus of maybe psychology, saving some money to build up some credits, and then decided that wasn't the right degree for me, but I was saving money and getting all my electives done. So I took that, AA degree and took it to the University of Nevada and changed my degree track to business, which was one of the best things for me because it incorporated all the things I love really about what I'm doing now, which is talking with people, the psychology of business, the finance of things. But it was really great because I ended up getting out of college with very minimal debt. So I was able to kind of hack the system and not emerge with a degree, but $80,000 in debt, just desperate to find a job. I didn't have to have that kind of experience that most people are seeing today, which I do feel for them. We're kind of at the last segment of the up part of the trail. We've gone through a bunch of different types of environments, all different kinds of settings, but we're getting into the forest tree line now, where the temperature drops a little bit, the stream gets a little bit more intense, and we get really close to knowing where that waterfall is that everyone wants to see as they make their way up this trail. It's a fun little part of the hike because it's so different from the beginning of the hike, where we're in more of a desert environment and just scaling our way up. We're about 2.4 miles in, so that's a good indicator about when you start to see this environment. You can hear that on the mic, but the sound of that river, that creek, is pretty significant. There's some little miniature waterfalls down there. You can see them kind of tumbling down, cascading down. A very different kind of trail feature right now. It's soft, a lot of pine needles on the ground. Can't really see much in the sun right now. Temperatures dropped quite a bit, but really beautiful. Yeah, I mean, obviously if you come here in the early springtime when all these little secondary streams are rushing, you better be prepared to get wet because these are all moving through with a little bit of water. We made it. We're at the top of the trail, Hunter Creek Falls. It's about a 30-foot drop to get down to the bottom here. It's amazing. We made this hike in less than an hour and 40 minutes, and that's we were taking our time. So imagine what's around in your area that you don't even know about. So come take a ride with us on Ridin with Rory, and let's go see what the Great Basin and Sierra are all about. So an important thing about these trails is everyone uses them, right? So we're all here, so you got to pack in what you pack out. Let's respect these spaces. I mean, they are beautiful for a reason, and they get less beautiful when people disrespect it. So if you see something on the ground that you can pick up and bring out, do that and make it better for everybody else. It's just the right thing to do. So this hike has been awesome. I mean, we made it about 1,200 feet elevation climb. It's a good workout, and it just reminds me of how important it is to take care of your body, to get out there and be active, try to use your body for the best ability that you have, and really explore what's out there in nature. I mean, a place like this is pretty easy to get to if you just make the effort. It's just like in life, the more effort you put into your body, into your well-being, the better the return's gonna be. And so I encourage everybody out there to remember how beautiful it is outside. Get outside, take your family, take your dogs, and just see the beauty that's around us, and really, let your body feel the nature and ground yourself into the earth. It'll feel better for it, I guarantee it. Let us know where we should go to next, and how could you not want to live in a place like this? Let me know how I can help you. If you're moving to Northern Nevada or moving to California, come see me, let's talk, and let's keep riding with Rory. All right, so hey, we finished our hike. What a great little excursion in the middle of the day. We got out here, there was some people on the trail enjoying themselves. About 3 hours all the way up and back. with a long stop at the top of the waterfall. Beautiful trip. I really appreciate you guys coming along with us for this journey. Keep riding with Rory, keep subscribing, keep liking. Let your friends know to come and take a look at what we're producing, and I'll see you at the next time.